everybody, another day of phonics, the sun's shining again. I'm ready, are you? Let's do this. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Fantastic. Good sounding. Oh, let's see if we can do them together. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, oh, oh. K, k, k. X, x, x. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who can do them really super fast? Yes, you can. Look at you go. Well done. Okay. My turn, your turn. Far. Barn. Dark. Far. Barn. Dark. Far. Barn. Dark. Well done. Far. Barn. Dark. Good reading of those words. What sound did you hear in all of those words today? It's a bit of a tricky one. Far, barn, dark. I think you might be right. Let's try it on our phoning fingers and see if you were right. Get them ready. Show me they're ready. Give them a wiggle. Okay, here we go. Your word is bark. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. My dog barks a lot. My word is march. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. Can you march on the spot just like me? Oh, yes, you can. My word is park. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. Who's missing going to the park? I'm missing it lots, but as long as you're saying safe, that's all that matters. My word is carpet. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fifth sound. Fantastic. Carpet. Carpet. Beautiful. Last word this time. I like to go to the market. The market. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fifth sound. Fantastic. Market. Brilliant. Okay. I am going to be a robot. You're going to be you're going to be a blender. I'm glad you've got this now. Lots of phonics is helping your learning. Well done. Here I go. Sharp. Oh, there was a sharp knife and I caught my finger. Well done. Garden. Beautiful. Garden. Garden. Brilliant. Start. Beautiful. Start. Start the car. I shout at my mum. Here we go. Shark. Well done. Shark. Shark. Can you be a shark? Dun, 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 dun. Show me your blender. Brilliant. Last word. Are you ready? Artist. Oh, let's check. Artist. Artist. Fantastic. Miss Hulstrom made a bit of a mistake in that one. Well done. Now you're going to be a robot. Show me your robot arms. Fantastic. Here we go. Are you sure you're ready? Now I can see you're ready. Park. Brilliant. Park. Park. Charm. Fantastic. Bark. Oh, what about barking? I can hear a dog barking loudly. Barking. Oh, let me check that one with you. Barking. Bark. Barking. Fantastic. Last one. Do any of you eat parsnips? Oh, can you sound it? Parsnips. That's a really long one. Parsnips. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done. Who thinks I know what my sound is? Do you? I think you might be right. Did you say R? I knew it. Well done. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. 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 A-R. Together, these letters make the R sound. Can you say R? R. 2 letters, 1 sound. R. Say it again. R. Brilliant. We're going to read some words that have the R sound in them. You should know this by now. We've had lots of weeks of phonics now. When we read, what do we do? Do we? Do we say the word, say the word, say the word, finger the word, write the word? No. Well done. When we read, we look at the letters, make the sound, and we blend the sounds together. I knew you knew. Okay, here we go. What sound is this? B. Well done. B. Bar. Beautiful. Fantastic. Can you pretend you are driving a car? Drive your car. Beep, beep. All turn left. Brilliant. Next word, okay? Here we go. Bark. Brilliant. Next word. Fantastic. Hard. Hard. Sometimes phonics is a little bit hard, but the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Last word. God, brilliant reading. Now that we've read all the words that have the R sound in them, we're going to practice writing some of these words now. And make sure you're listening out for the challenge at the end of this video. Get your paper or your whiteboard, your pen or your pencil ready. I've got mine. Here we go. What do we do when we write? Well done. So in reception, we practice roboting. When we get to year 1, we learn to finger those words. So it's up to you if you robot or finger, as long as you say all the sounds out, okay? Here we go. Today, I'm going to robot. Your word is far. Say it, say it, say it. Far, far, far. I'm going to robot. Far. Write it. My nan and granddad live far away, so I haven't been able to see them. Far. R. Remembering that R sound. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. R. Far. Brilliant writing. Your next word is barn. Barn. Writing. Make sure your b is facing the right way. Barn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Barn. Barn. Can you think of any animals that live in a barn? You're right. Well done. Your last word for today is sharp. Sharp. Say it, say it, say it. Robot it. Sharp. Sharp. Oh, there's 2 digraphs in this word. Sh and R. What letters make the sh sound? What letters make the R sound? And what letters at the end? P. Fantastic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sharp. 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 Fantastic. Okay, that is phonics finished for today, but I have a challenge for you. I want you to try and write 10 different words that have the AR sound in them. So we've used lots today. We've had far, barn, dark, garden. There's 4 words for you. Can you write down 10 different words? If you do this challenge, remember to tweet it on the English Manorfield Twitter page and I will see all your answers. Have a lovely day. See you soon.